Hello everyone, this is Kiran here again. Right now we are going to take interview for Python and candidate is fresher. One of my subscriber wanted me to take interview and we'll be starting right from core Python to Django. He's well versed and try to explore that all technologies he's doing and how expertise he. Let's ask Shubham to come. Hello, hello Shubham. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good
Yeah.
afternoon, sir. Good
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Okay. So, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. So, first of all, I want to tell you one more thing. Like your resume, you should be checking it very carefully because your mobile number, you mentioned two mobile numbers over there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
not
Yes.
big issue, but one of it is switch off. Then I tried with email. That email has got okay. So that's not big deal, but still, this is guidance interview. I would say we'll be taking interview as well, but we'll also try that you should be presenting your resume in a proper way. So that guidance also I will be giving here. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure.
So no problem. That's all okay. Not big deal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just confirm. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Very well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, so I was going through your resume and it is pretty interesting. Completely, it is related to Python. I can see you passed out in 2014.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 6.8 this thing. Then good HSC, SSC. So it's complete fresher. Okay, and it's good. Great. You know SQL, Python, HTML, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Great. So let's move to interview. First of all, I want to know something about yourself.
Uh,
Yeah, go ahead.
my name is Shubham Misra. Hello.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Okay. My name is Shubham Misra. I'm from Satna, MP. Uh, I have passed out from VITS Satna, and after pass out some uncertain region, I was drop out, and in 2017, in 2017, I was joined Aditya Group as a computer science department, and till now, and then I was realized कि I want to change my journey and I want a software developer. Then last year I was joined Java by Kiran online learning platform and I was learn Python.
Okay, okay, go ahead. Okay. Then next, this is all about you, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you can add more thing in that, about yourself, how you can add like your education, then like grade after this education also you can add in that. Okay.
Yes.
So that is also needed many a times. Then no need to tell family background and everything, and that you already taken care of. That's not a problem. Okay. So why Python you choose in your career?
Uh, um, I choose the Python because of I I saw in a current market evaluation the Python is a most dynamically language because of the number of the working platform Python is provided for me as like web development machine learning, data science. These kinds of the platform provided the Python. So I choose the Python. And the more important thing, and the one of the more important thing, Python is a purely object-oriented language, and it is the versatile and easy to learn.
Okay. Okay. You can develop mobile applications also.
Uh, Python using the Python which use the Python mobile development, it means Python के थ्रू सर मोबाइल डेवलपमेंट का जो Python की लाइब्रेरी है कीवी लाइब्रेरी से हम मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट करते हैं, बट पाइथन से अभी वो उतना ज्यादा हो नहीं पा रहा। मोबाइल डेवलपमेंट के लिए जावा का ही यूज ज्यादातर हो रहा है। एंड पाइथन जो है, पाइथन इज यूज्ड फॉर वेब डेवलपमेंट एंड सिस्टम्स एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट।
What does system application development means?
System application development means that the particular any kinds of the software that supported the systems.
What is difference between web development and system development?
Web develop.
Do you find any difference or it's?
Yes, sir. Sir, web development is as like the any websites that we can customers can use, and the system software means that the particular software, the system software means that particular software that is provide the platform for the application software for working.
Okay, great. So this is just overall. I wanted to see what knowledge you have in web development, system development, and all. What is front end? What is back end? You know that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is back end development?
Backend development means that the particular side when the developer works as like the as like we say that the particular um, data backup or the data storage side means that particular अगर हम किसी एप्लीकेशन की बात करते हैं तो उसमें फ्रंट एंड मींस दैट कि पर्टिकुलर जो एंड यूजर क्या यूजर देख रहा एंड यूजर फॉर एग्जांपल्स दैट वी आर द यूजर्स एंड वी जस्ट गिवन या filling some details about me, तो that details जो डिटेल होगी वो डिटेल्स किस एंड पे जाकर के कि उसका स्टोरेज होगा, that is the backend process.
Okay, my question is like Python is a scripting language, right?
Python is a
scripting language.
No, sir. Python is a programming language.
It's not scripting.
I don't sure, sir.
Okay.
I think that Python is a purely object-oriented language, so it is the programming language, no?
No.
And scripting language as like HTML, CSS.
The advantage of Python is it is scripting as well as object-oriented. Okay.
Yes.
So that is what they should be knowing, because Python you don't need to compile and then and all that stuff. Okay, you just directly run whatever functions you write, you need to run directly. Okay, so it's a scripting language also. Yes. Okay, so let's move with the core Python and we'll start asking some questions.
Yes, sir.
How you achieve inheritance in Python and what is its advantages?
Okay, the biggest advantage of the using the inheritance, the biggest advantages using the inheritance, we can say it means that हम parents class की property को child class में accept कर सकते हैं. It means that we are creating we are creating a one class A is a parent class, and sometimes we need same property. Sometimes we need same property in other classes, so we can create a class A is a parent class and other class is as a child class.
Okay, is it possible to get extended from two parent classes?
Excuse me, sir?
It is possible to extend from two parent classes in Python? One subclass can have two parent classes. Is it possible?
One subclass, two parents class. Yes, sir.
What will happen if same variable is there in the both classes? Okay,
Yes.
a equal to 60 and another class have a equal to 50. What will happen in subclass, in child class? Okay, which variable will be coming?
Sir, that case, two parents class, we can use uh, we can use multiple inheritance class A. Define the class A. Class A is a parents class, and class B is a also parents class. So class C, when we need to access the property, when we need to access the property in class C, both class A and B. So we can write class C, C, and functions give, in between functions we can write a and B.
No. I'm asking automatically which will get inherited, whether A class variable or B class variable, or both will get inherited into C. Because variable name is same, right?
Yes.
Are
I
you able
think
to hear me?
no.
You are not able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you got the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so find out that obviously whatever class you write first after in a subclass will get inherited. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, how constructor behaves in a Python?
How constructor 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 behave in a Python particular particular defining the error, default error, or the customized error defined.
No, constructor I'm asking. You are telling errors, right?
Okay.
Hello.
So, hello.
Yeah, I'm
Constructor.
asking.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Constructor behave Python. There are the two types of the constructor. One is the by default constructor. One is the by default constructor that PVM Python virtual machine provide, and another is the def underscore init underscore self. That is the constructor, and in constructor behave means that it is the firstly called current variables.
Automatically it calls, or you need to do something over there.
uh, when we use um, uh, def underscore init constructor. So so it is it means sir, अगर हम कंस्ट्रक्टर का यूज नहीं करते तो बाय डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर है वो तो कॉल करेगा ही, बट अगर हम यूजर के द्वारा बनाया गया कंस्ट्रक्टर डेफ अंडरस्कोर इनिट को जब करेंगे तो सेल्फ के मेथड के थ्रू जैसे ही हम देंगे तो उसे कॉल करेगा सर.
क्या फायदा है कंस्ट्रक्टर का, क्यों रखना चाहिए?
कंस्ट्रक्टर द बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज सर कह सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ, क्योंकि वो करंट वेरिएबल होता है, करंट वेरिएबल तक एक्सेस करता है.
So what advantage you get out of it? It access everything. That's not a problem. You can call functions also from constructor, right? My question is like, if you give constructor and if you don't give your own constructor, what difference you observe? What advantage you get out of it? Why people use constructors?
Okay. Big
To initialize global variables, okay, so that you can access those variables everywhere in every function. Okay,
yes,
you got it, my point?
yes, sir.
Yeah, so two functions are there and same variable you are putting there. Instead of that, put that into the constructor and initialize with some value. So while creating an object, you can send value in it, okay, and
Yes.
that constructor variable you will be using other functions, self dot something, okay, self dot age, self dot location. You should not make everything local, okay. So what is local variable and global variable in Python?
Local variable and global variable. Global variable we can accessible whole the program. इट मीन्स दैट हम पूरे प्रोग्राम में कहीं से भी ग्लोबल वेरिएबल को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, बट इन द point of view local variable only the accessible within the function body only.
Okay, got it. Can we use static word in Python somewhere?
Static, yes sir.
How you use that?
Static we can use static variable, static method in a class.
What is class level method and static method?
Class level, in a static level method, we can use at the rate static and static variable, um, sorry, static
At
method
the rate class also there, right? At the rate class.
at the rate class. At the rate class or the static class or the static method, both are the same, no, sir?
Yeah. So both are the same, you are saying?
Yes.
Okay.
There are the three
Okay,
types
now,
of method: instance
yeah.
method,
So,
static method, and
okay, okay. So what is the difference between list, set, tuple?
set is the mutable, and the tuple is the immutable type data type.
What does the mutable means?
Mutable means that mutable means okay. Each and everything is in Python is an object. Okay, each and everything is a in Python object. Suppose a equal 10. A equal 10. 10 is a object. 10 is a object, and A is a reference. A is a reference point. And suppose we can also write B equal 10. So mutable means that particular the value is a changeable. It means that particular reference point is a change.
Is what? I didn't understand actually.
Wait a minute, sir. Wait a minute.
Let's say
Yes. A equal 10. Okay.
it's tuple or set.
It's a tuple.
Okay. Can we modify values in it?
Uh, no, sir. Because of it is a immutable type.
It's immutable, right?
Yes.
And this is set, right?
Yes.
Can we change value out of it?
Yes, sir. Because of it is a mutable.
Yeah, so you can change it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is a list.
So you can change values inside list or not?
We can change the value inside list, sir. Obvious change.
What happened here? Can we change this 8?
This 8. No, sir. This 8 is. Wait a minute, sir. Sir, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Sir, I can change whole the value. It means that स्मॉल ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर जो पूरी वैल्यू इसे मैं चेंज कर सकता हूँ. इट मींस दैट बाय यूजिंग द इंडेक्स वैल्यू वी आर changing the value.
My question is very simple. Can we change this 8 to 6? Yes or no?
No.
Can we change this complete thing?
Yes, sir.
Because list is mutable, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. How you have two lists? Okay. How to concatenate those?
Hello, voice is breaking, sir.
My voice is. I'm not audible.
Yeah, audible.
Yeah, not good. You're not hearing proper voice.
No, अभी proper आ रहा, sir.
Okay. So what I'm asking you, this is one list. How to join those both lists?
How to join? Using the extend method. Using the extend method, we are joined.
If I want one final list with like this, what to do?
Okay. Uh, okay. We are using the add. Using the add, and that's
But I
find the
think
that value.
add will add this,
Yes. List one, add list two, and find that particular result. Yes, sir.
or add method will add up this 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6, 14. It's like that, or it will add to a list.
It will add like to a different list. No? So
Okay.
that not got 14.
Okay. And let's say you do add for this, then what will happen now? Will it add still? Side by side, you open your PyCharm or editor, okay?
Yes.
You keep open on your laptop. It is open now.
No, sir. Open. Okay.
Yes, side by side, keep it open, okay?
Okay, sir.
We'll do some logical checking also.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what will happen in this case then? If you use add function.
I think this is the per this is perform.
Okay. Next, what is NumPy?
NumPy is a numeric Python.
So yes, numeric
We can
Python. So in NumPy, can you do this?
NumPy is perform the vector type operations.
So in NumPy, is it possible to do this or not? Adding
Yes, sir.
up to array.
It is a possible. No? It is a possible.
It's possible, right?
Yes, sir.
So we need to convert this list into first NumPy array, right?
Yes, sir.
This also, and then both will get adds up, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so better you use NumPy for adding up these things, okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't use add method or something, that's better. NumPy is more efficient, okay? What you know more about NumPy? Which methods are there?
Uh, NumPy, there are the different. I'm not correctly idea.
Okay, so prepare that also because only basic Python will not work out, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you know two things, range function and a range function?
Yes, sir. A range function is using in the NumPy, and range function is using in Python.
Same thing I asked you. Tell me something about NumPy. So you should have said a range also there, right? What is different between these two range functions?
Uh, in a range function is using in a Python, and a range function is the using the NumPy. That is the biggest difference. And
No, that I already told you in question. Okay, so what you achieve out of it? Okay.
sorry, sir.
Is there any uh, two-dimensional array system in Python?
Yes, sir.
How you achieve that two-dimensional array?
Uh, np dot np dot array, and then write the values.
Okay, your system is open now.
Yes, sir.
Can you share that?
Okay, yes, sir.
Please share.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, let's say give me control. Just a second, I'm asking you. Uh, is there any other editor available in Python than Shell?
Yes, sir.
Is there any editor available in Python other than this shell?
No, sir.
No editor available?
No, sir. I'm using only the idle idea.
Okay. But you should know that, okay, there is a PyCharm, Item, Eclipse. All these are the editors we use for Python, okay?
I'm using Atom for Django and Visual Basic for the HTML and CSS.
Okay, so for core Python, you cannot use editors, right?
No.
Yes, you can use, okay?
Okay, sir. Next time I will.
Yeah, so remember that.
Sir, this editor is not a perfect for.
This is not perfect.
Okay, sir.
Why it gives wrong answers?
I mean, sir, ये editor मतलब सही नहीं है क्या?
No, 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 no. We don't use this in organizations, okay?
Okay, okay, okay. I
That's
will.
the proper editor, okay? You cannot find here functions, you cannot do replace, or many features are missing here. Control F
Yes.
do, okay? You cannot save, you can save files, but you cannot see all files at a time, okay? You're
Sir,
getting
you.
some.
Yes, sir.
Everything is possible, but it is difficult to handle, right?
Okay.
This is shell, just to write scripting, just
Yes, sir.
small scripts if you want to run, then only it's okay. Okay, now write down a logic here so that I will get this string reversed. Did you get my question?
No, sir.
This is a string, right?
Yes, sir.
I want to reverse it.
Okay.
Yeah, so please write down logic.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you execute. Execute it, that I
Okay,
can
sir.
see whether it
Okay,
is
okay.
reversed or not.
Okay, okay. String object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Some values are missing.
Yes, so change something.
Yes, sir.
What will change?
Sir, I think that logic is incorrect
How can you say logic is correct? How to check if your logic is correct or not?
because of the in the print reverse order.
Okay, no problem. You just show me two things.
Yes,
This string should get divided into two characters, like ja, wa, by, ki, ra, and then lastly n. How you'll do that? I need total 6 parts of it. I need total 6 parts. Okay,
okay. Yes, sir.
can you do that?
Wait a minute, sir.
If any string I give, two characters should be received. Let's say Shubham,
Okay.
SHUB, HA, and lastly remain M. How you'll
By
break down?
by using slicing.
Yeah, can you do that?
Yes, sir. So that is
No, I don't need that. I need parts.
okay.
I need parts, right? You don't know how much longer the string will be. You need to take out two characters first, then next two characters, then next two characters, then next two characters. You're getting?
Yes, sir.
In for loop, it should print. You understood my question?
Yes, sir. The string we breaks the part in the form of part.
Slicing you can use, but it can be in for loop also, right?
Yes.
First identify length of a string and then put for loop. Okay.
Okay.
Try to build logic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now next, wait. Okay. I want to generate one OTP, random 6-digit number. Can you write down code for that? You have to use some function, random and all.
We can use random module,
Yeah, please write down that code. The OTP should be of 6 digits, 0 to 9.
Okay.
Yeah, use that import random.
Rand is
No, but it's not generating. It should generate, right? No problem. I'll ask you very simple question now. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah, but I want to see your logical capability as well, and you should be well versed with it. You're getting my point? Because
Yes.
core Python knows that's okay, but little bit logic also you should be able to build. Correct?
Yes.
I want you to iterate this. You got my question at least?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, put for loop. Show me how you can iterate it. 6, 8, 9 should be separate. 7, 8, 9 should be separate.
No, sir.
Sorry, how?
Not sure, sir.
This is correct or wrong? It's correct or wrong? Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how? Put for loop, right? Okay. Can there be negative index in Python? List or
Yes.
what happens with the negative index?
Uh, we can use in a list or string backward indexing, that is called the negative indexing.
I mean, reverse, right? If you
Yes,
want
sir.
to make
Yes,
something
sir.
reverse, then you can
That is
use
called
that.
the reverse.
Okay, great. Okay, what is pandas? Why to use pandas?
We can use pandas is using for the data framing. Uh, there are the two types of the one is the series and the another one is the frame.
Okay.
Uh, series is the form of the one dimensional and frame is called the two dimensional. Yeah,
What is the
multi
difference between series, range, or range, numpy
series.
range? What is difference between series of pandas, then range of numpy and ordinary range? What is difference? Everybody
Uh,
generates numbers, right?
yes, sir.
So in data frame, what you observe?
Okay.
Panda.
See, no, we can use the normal range function in a for loop using the iterations for loops for loops and series is the form of the series is not like a range, sir. Series is the form of data that is as like a frame. Frame is the two dimensional or the multi-dimensional, and the series is the one dimensional. We can write, for example, pandas dot series, creating a series pd dot series, and given the values.
Can you store this data in Python?
Yes, sir. We can store this data in a Python in the form of the frame.
Yeah, can you write down code for that?
I will try, sir. I will try.
Yes, you need to write that code so properly, okay? Key value something, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
This is
I want your screen. You write anything. See, first of all, recall this. Remember this. See, 0, 1, 2. These are the indexes. X
yes, sir.
type and cost is the columns, and this is the data which I want. Okay,
Okay.
got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So start. Share your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
First, clean this editor.
Okay, sir.
I'm not able to see your another screen.
Okay, sorry, sir.
Share that one.
Okay, okay, okay.
Stop sharing and do again.
Okay, sir. Just share.
Okay, great. Close it. Okay.
Is the proper data is not found.
Run it. How to run?
Pandas does attribute. I think
There is no
that
attribute called name.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Perfect. Now, I want to shuffle Ford and Mahindra. How will do?
Okay.
Just a second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will do. Shuffle Ford and Mahindra.
Yeah, just a second. Give me access.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What it is actually, see. What are the columns and what are the values? Can you see? This is not the way which we asked, right?
Yes, sir.
Scorpio, Mahindra, Ford should have value 300, 200 and maybe 100, right? Hello,
Okay, 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 sir.
getting point?
Yes, sir.
See, all are having different values, correct?
Okay, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
I want
Sir, I will try again and change the value.
yes, there should be vehicle type as a column. Here,
Yes, sir.
Scorpio is a column. I want vehicle type should be the column, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So make one list of vehicle type, kind of. Make another list of cost, and then merge those lists. Try your own logic. Doesn't matter to me. But
Yes.
okay, that's okay. Let me ask you more questions because I have to take a lot of topics and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, why we use exception handling?
Uh, we can
Do you think
use.
it's needed?
Yes, sir. We can use a exceptional. We can use exceptional handling for the for enhancing the particular types of the exceptions.
Why to enhance? I don't want to enhance.
Sir, it means that there are the many types of the exceptions. We can मतलब सर वी कैन से कि पर्टिकुलर जो हमारा एक्सेप्शंस इन किसी भी सॉफ्टवेयर में जो हमारा एक्सेप्शंस आएगा उस एक्सेप्शंस को मतलब हम हाइड करके पर्टिकुलर जो हमारा प्रोग्राम होगा प्रोग्राम जिससे कि टर्मिनेट ना हो प्रोग्राम का जो फ्लो ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन हो उस फ्लो ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन को हम कंप्लीट कर
Very good. So summary, you should be saying rather saying this and that. You are giving answers. Just structure it. What you should say to avoid termination of a program.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Exception handling, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If there is no exception handling, your program will get terminated in between.
Yes, sir.
Your program will get terminated in between. Okay.
Yes.
And that should not happen. Okay. Which is the top level exception in Python?
Customized exception handling is
Base exception. You got my point?
no, sir.
Topmost exception. Topmost means superclass of every exception.
Yeah, base, base class is a
Base exception.
because of that is the parent class of all the exceptions.
Which class?
Exception is the parents class of the all the types of the exceptions.
There is no class about to exception you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Can you open exception class code in Python? You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Share your screen and open that.
Yes, sir. Wait. I will try, sir. I will make.
No,
one
no, you
example.
just need to open. Open it. Open shell.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. How to see any documentation in Python for any class?
How to see any documentation?
Let's say I want to see all methods of string class. How to see that?
Sorry, sir.
No.
Not idea.
Okay. Means you want to get help of some class. Okay. See,
Yes,
you should be having a way to see all the methods of any class, right?
yes, sir.
Correct or not? Let's say there is something you want to see some methods of STR
Yes,
class,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Help is using for
but it is not happening. What is the problem here?
function sign is not using. Right.
So can you write down help command is there? No.
No, sir. I don't
How
know.
to do? See, you might have seen methods also, right?
Yes.
Hello. Yes or no?
Yes.
So see here, this is what the function. But what I want you to know is, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So how to see documentation of any class? Did you get the point? Here, what is
Yes.
superclass and what is subclass?
Yes, sir.
Which is a superclass?
So base class is a super class, and
No, no, no. Here in this line, can you identify which is superclass and which is subclass?
okay, okay. Sir, this class is the super class.
STR. STR is a
STR is
superclass or object is a superclass?
object is a super class. Object is a super class.
Okay. Okay.
Here
Now
in
can you
help.
write here help exception? Go here, right? Open another shell.
Okay, sir.
My question is very simple. I want to know superclass of exception class. That's it. What is the superclass of exception class?
Super class of the exception class.
It's a base exception. Okay.
Base exception, yes.
Yeah.
Base class is a super class, no, sir.
Base
And
class is different story. Base exception is a class name. Okay.
okay, sir.
That's what I'm asking you to write. Open new shell. Open new shell. Open new one.
Okay, sir. Wait a minute.
Clear all the text. Okay.
Sir, I want to say something here. Exception is the super class and help is the another class.
Help is a function.
Yes, help is a
Here, what is superclass and what is subclass? Tell me.
base exception is a super class.
Now you understood the concept. What I was
Yes.
asking. I was
Yes, sir.
asking what is superclass of exception class in Python, right?
Yes.
Your answer should be base.
Base exception. Okay, sir.
Correct. So I
Yes.
think now what is base class and something that you were saying, that was a term, right?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Uh, why we write multiple except blocks for one try?
Excuse me, sir.
Why we write multiple except block for one try block?
Uh, we can write the multiple except block in one try block because of there are the different types of the errors handling क्योंकि जो हमारा for example value error name error these are the different types of the error एंड व्हेन जब हम पर्टिकुलर किसी भी एरर को उसके नेम के अकॉर्डिंग पर्टिकुलर नेम
What is
से
the difference between name error and value error?
name error given the particular when the name is not defined and value error is given the particular value completely value is not for example 10 divided by 0 is given the value error and
Will this be exception or what?
a equal 3 plus double a this is the exception
Exception or not?
exception how it is a possible because of 3 is an integer and double a is a string so how can
So what will happen? That is what my question is.
okay we can use try block we can use
My simple question, which exception will occur after doing this?
okay uh, okay after that value
Value error?
yes sir.
Okay, can you try on your system?
Yes sir.
Okay, no problem. But you will be trying later, and you are most of times correct. So don't get like confused. If I'm asking means you are giving wrong answer. It's nothing like that. Okay,
Okay sir.
you are also correct. Okay, most of the times. Okay, so coming to Django, you are good at Django.
Django yes
Okay, which database you have used?
we can use SQL database
Okay, let's say which file you are making for mentioning all column names. What is that? Hello, Shubham.
yes sir.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes sir.
Which file you are mentioning all column names and data types of that column?
I don't remember sir.
But you are making or not?
Making sir.
Okay, so let's say there are 200 columns in that file. You know manage.py,
Yes sir.
why it is used?
Because of the manage.py file is
Yeah, go ahead. Why?
sir actually में Django is particular अभी
Okay, so Django, you are not prepared.
no sir.
Okay. You know architecture of Django?
No sir, not like this.
Did you execute any project in Django till now?
Sir, I make one project in a Django, but that is not a file in that laptop. I make a Naukri alert system in Django, and I make one another project but that is actually that particular time is not in that particular library.
Okay, what is the use of settings.py?
Settings.py file is using the particular partic- particular projects command.
Okay, what is the
Sorry,
difference between SciPy and NumPy?
scientific Python and NumPy. Okay, and numeric Python is using for the particular mathematics calculations solving as like a matrix and another types uh, and scientific Python is used for making the algorithms.
This SciPy is there. Okay, you cannot create matrix in NumPy. You want to say
Uh, uh,
3 by 3 matrix, 4 by 6 matrix?
Matrix is making we can use the numpy for making the matrix.
Then why SciPy is there?
Scientific Python is using for making the algorithms
Making algorithms.
and small mathematics
Yes.
problems.
Okay. Okay. Now coming to again some core Python, because Django you have anyway not prepared. You are saying, right?
Yes, yes.
But I think without Django it will be very difficult, and at fresher level you should be well aware of Django concept.
Sir, I want to say something. It's my request. Sir, give me some times and again re-interview. It is a possible, sir.
Yes, yes, that is possible. But right now you are giving good answers. No problem. You might not be that satisfied with the answers.
Sorry, sir. I feel guilty because of this is not
No, 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 no.
good
There is nothing like that.
communications.
There are many people
And Django,
here. That's not a
Django,
problem.
I
See,
not prepared that.
if you don't do one topic, doesn't matter. You're a fresher, okay? You should be good with what you have.
Yes.
Is what I'm always saying. Many people even don't have courage to give mock interviews. They directly want to go to interview in industry. That is also okay. No, nothing is wrong and right. But at least you are doing this. This is a excellent thing you are doing. Okay. At least you are showing courage. You are opening up with me. That's not a problem. And there is nothing
Actually,
like
sir,
that. And if someone will be seeing this interview also now, don't feel like they will be laughing at you or something. Nothing like that, because you are giving excellent answer. They are even doesn't have even courage to sit in front of me or anybody. They are like that. So you are giving excellent answers. So don't get disheartened. Nothing like that. Okay. Now, what is a global variable
yes, sir.
in Python? What is a global keyword? Why to use global keyword?
Okay, global key. We can use a global keyword for defining the global variable in a Python, and global variable we can access global variable in a whole program. It means that मतलब पूरे program में हम कहीं से भी global variable को access कर सकते हैं.
Okay, what is
As
yield?
compared,
Yeah, got it. What is yield?
yes, sir.
What is yield function? Yield.
Sir, I don't.
Okay, how to see all the keywords in Python? If I want to see what are the keywords are available in your version, how you will be showing me? Share your screen.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I see whatever version you are using? Okay, Python version you are using, right?
Yes, sir.
Some Python version you might be using. So give me request this thing access.
Yes,
Now I want to see which Python version you are using. How to see?
sir, this is the already given 3.8.0, and we can go into the shell and the
Okay, so you can see there.
yes, sir.
But no, I want command to see.
Yeah,
the
this is
Python.
this is the
That is
3.8.
correct. But see, if file is very bigger, then you don't move up, right? I want to see there and there. Okay. So
Okay,
that is not a correct answer by seeing that. Okay. There should be some command, right? Python version or something.
Okay. No, sir.
You got my point or not?
Yes,
There
sir.
should be some command to show me a version, correct?
Yes, sir.
Like that, how to see all keywords available in your, what it call, uh, in your Python version, how to do that? Do you know anything like this?
No, sir.
Keyword list, can you see keyword list? Hello? No?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what to write to see all the list?
Okay, sir.
Wait.
This is a new thing for me. I don't know this is.
Okay, okay. So you can see all the list also through this, what it call. Okay, you just print it. You will get to know all the keywords
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
your Python has. You are hearing this first time?
Yes, sir.
Why? This is basic things. Means don't see you are fresher. Don't cannot say that. "Nee, sir, I should be trained more and all." These are all basic things you should be exploring, right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Miss, you know now you are matured enough to know what is Python. You can learn tutorials from the Google. Okay, can you see this now? Complete
Yes,
list
sir.
is appeared. Can you tell me how to count how many keywords are there?
Using the count keyword.
Do you think there is a count keyword?
Count. Yes, sir.
What will happen with the length keyword? This is list, right? See, can you see this list? It's a list, correct?
Yes, sir.
How to see how many elements are there in the list? Which function you use?
I don't know, sir.
How to see list size? You don't know? List size?
No, sir.
No problem. You know it, you just got confused. So don't worry, okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to hear me? मेरी आवाज
Yes,
आ
sir.
रही है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, so don't get confused if I'm asking something, then don't feel like it's very difficult question I'm asking. Okay, I'm not asking very difficult questions. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do you think I asked very
Use it.
tough questions to you?
Using the length keyword.
Length is a function, right? It's not a keyword.
Yes, sir. Length is a function.
But anyway, really nice talking to you, and thank you for giving time to me. And I have feedback for you, so I'm discussing that also. Okay. See, you're good.
Sir, some.
Yeah, I can see that you're good at Python. That's not a problem. But I think it might be wrong or right. I don't know. But I know because I took your interview. So your lacking point is logical thing that you need to improve upon. Okay. If I asked you to write simple logic, you should
Yes,
be
sir.
getting it. You should not say, no, this program I never tried. How can I write? These are the small programs you need to write, right? You
Yes, sir.
cannot say every time, no, 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 I never tried.
Yes, sir.
Because nobody asks you complex questions.
Yes.
Questions are always simple, right? Questions are
Yes.
not that tough. Did you see that I asked very tough questions to you?
No, sir.
Not tough, right? At least you can realize these are all easy questions. And what I expect, Shubham, next time you will be preparing more logical questions, and I will never
Sure,
ask
sir.
very
Sure.
tough logical questions because at fresher level, what we need, you should be aware your hand finishing should be good. If I ask you simple to find out keywords in your version, If I ask you Python version, that is a, that is the first day lecture anybody will train you on, like a version command is there, right? Python,
Yes, sir.
so not big deal, but you gave me maximum answers, and just to motivate you, you're excellent in this. But I want next time you should be preparing more before going
Sure,
to.
sir. Next time I will better.
Yeah, and try to hard work. That is what I'm always saying. Without
Yeah,
hard work, it
sure.
will be difficult. But what you did is good, and try making yourself comfortable on Django also. Okay. Now
Yes, sure, sir.
Python community also can see me, and they will get to know what questions I ask. And you are not the first person who is giving interview to me. I'm taking a lot of interviews, so don't worry that something is wrong or something.
Yes, sir.
That doesn't matter to you, right? That doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
What even matter is you need to prepare. You need to create a list of questions. You need to target those questions. You need to practice those questions. Don't ask here and there. On
Sure, sir.
Google, every material is available. Correct. And try not using
Yes, sir.
Scale now. Use something, some other editor where you get more help of coding. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Getting and go in depth also.
Yes, sir.
Like what is superclass of exception? What is a superclass of value error? Why value error? Why not name error? Okay. In which case, how many exceptions
Yes,
are available? At least how many exceptions are there? Are hundreds of exceptions. I'm not saying you should be remembering 100 exceptions, but at least 5. But if interviewer
Yes, sir.
asks you this, you should be patapat telling 5 exceptions, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Yes,
thinking
sir.
and then telling, it doesn't matter because I'm asking only 5 out of 100. So that should be there. Then NumPy, Pandas, you should be very much clear, not in depth, but at least benchmark basics. Okay, so that should be there. SciPy, you can skip, no problem. I'm not saying you should be also expert on that because there is no more much questions on Python I see to ask you on core Python, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
and let's say you learned, constructor, you should be knowing why it is used. If I don't use, then what is the problem I will face? Okay, if I use constructor means something will get
Yes, sir.
simplified, correct or not? Otherwise, there is no use of
Yes, sir.
constructor. Even if you don't write constructor, will your program run or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
है ना? But if you write constructor, then something will get simplified. And you need to find out that what is the thing that will get simplified and bring that. Okay. So I think I gave you feedback
Yes,
also.
sir.
And I think this interview will be helpful to you. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Sure.
People,
Sure, sir.
do you find any good thing in this interview that you will be making more improvement next time, right? It is helpful or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Really?
Helpful, sir. Sure, helpful. And yes, sir. I promise to you next time I will improve much better.
Yes, yes, I expect the same. 10, 15 days you take, but I want more perfect, more tough questions I'm gonna ask next time.
सर
Right?
सर एंड आई वांट से समथिंग सर जो ये इंटरव्यू की सीरीज है ये हम जैसे फ्रेशर्स के लिए और एक्सपीरियंस होल्डर के लिए भी काफी हेल्पफुल है और सर जैसे अभी आज हुआ है तो अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम जैसे मैं अभी प्रिपरेशन के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम नॉट अ बिग 20 days और 25 days अगर लेना चाहूँ आफ्टर 25 days you give the
Yes, but
time please
that is not required because you already know basics. Only you need to finish. इसना है बस आपको अभी. Now you don't need 20 days. People finish syllabus in 15, 20 days. You know everything now. Only you need to groom yourself. You know exception. Only you need to go in depth. That's it. You're getting points.
Yes, sir.
Don't keep targets
Yes.
of 25 days. 25 days means you didn't read Python for 3 years, then you do that for 25 days. Here Python is
Yes.
in touch, right? Daily you are reading that. You should
Yes.
not say 25 days I will require. You take your own time, but 25 days is too much. You know everything. What only
Yes.
needed just to groom, just to refresh everything, right? You know string
Yes, sir.
class. Only you need to know how many methods are there, which methods are used for what purpose. You know NumPy. Only some tricks here and there you need to do. Okay, you are getting point. So keep
Yes.
less targets and do it, and schedule any interview with me, or you can give in market also. That's not a problem. But I'm sure, I'm confident that this interview is helpful to you, and
Yes,
for all freshers, it might be really helpful. Okay, and I try to
Yes.
guide you as well. Okay, okay, Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for your time, and I'm very glad that you're able to answer most of the questions. Not a problem.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir, for giving a precious time.
No, not an issue. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye bye.
Bye.
So this is Shubham. He tried his best to answer. He's just learning Python. He's good at core Python, but still you saw he needs some grooming and he need to go in depth for most of the Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and many more. And the concepts which you guys are using, I expect you guys to go in depth for that concept. Why? Ask yourself why we are using this. If someone asks why inheritance, you should not tell definition of inheritance. You should say why it is really useful to increase features of a class or something. Correct? You should not say directly just superclass things will come to child. What is the use? What is the advantage of it? Okay, so kind of questions we need to prepare. What are the inbuilt, and in Python you might all be knowing, those who are seeing this video, there are rich libraries. It has huge rich libraries, so you need to buy heart those functions. You need to buy heart those libraries, functions, and usage. Okay, you don't need to always reinvent the wheel here. Anyway, I hope this interview might be helpful for all Python community freshers, those who are applying for job right now. So I expect you all to comment if you like this and what you need more. You can always put in the comments so that I will be incorporating that things in my next video. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.